I'm honored to be here today, and I'm Stephanie Egharevba. I'm the Diversity and Inclusion Lead at the Youth Advisory Council at the MasterCard Foundation. And today, I'll be talking about something that goes beyond numbers and statistics. I'll be talking about people. I'll be talking about the millions of voices that are yet to be heard. I'll be talking about the millions of stories that are yet to be told. Because let's face it, next slide, please. Let's face it, data has the power to shape societies, but that would only happen when everybody, and I mean everybody, has access to it. Data is often seen as something abstract, as something technical, as something for the experts to decode. But when you strip that down and you look again, we can see that data is deeply human. It tells stories. It tells stories of progress. It tells stories of inequalities. It tells stories of potentials. It also helps us to identify gaps. Gaps in the healthcare, gaps in education, gaps in agriculture, and also gaps in economic opportunities. But the issue now is the people that are mostly affected by these gaps are the ones that are farthest away from the data conversation. Because how can a woman or a young person with disability who lives in a rural community unlock the true potentials of data if the doors to access and opportunities are closed shut in their faces? But, and the truth is, when we remove or when we exclude underrepresented individuals from data conversations, we're not just withholding information, we are withholding power. Because how can a woman in a rural community access real-time agricultural data or agricultural inputs to monitor and track our crop yields? Or what if a person with disability who lives in a rural community also have access to data that highlights the barriers that exist in their community? Then they use that data to figure out how to break those barriers. And this doesn't just benefit them, it benefits everybody in that community too. These aren't just what ifs, they are the futures that we can create. And when we include when we empower underrepresented individuals in data conversation, when we empower them through data literacy, it isn't just about the skills, it's about the future. It's about the freedom to, the freedom to be heard, the freedom to be seen, and the freedom to shape our own destiny. Next slide, please. And we can see that the barriers are, next slide, please. We can see that the barriers are glaring. We can see that the challenges are there. We go through technological gaps. We go through educational hurdles. We go through societal biases. But also, we can also see that these challenges are insurmountable. We can see that it's something that we can tackle. We are all here today because we believe in the power of innovation and collaboration. And we also have the resources. We have the platform as a data community. We have the knowledge to ensure that everybody has access to data. All we need now is the collective will. The collective will to, build a system where data isn't just a privilege for few, but a right for many. We need inclusive practices, we need policies, and we need mentorship to ensure that no one is left behind in the data conversation. And then imagine a world where data isn't just accessed by underrepresented individuals. Imagine a world where data is, underrepresented individuals are leading the charge in data innovation. Imagine a world where local communities are using data to solve local problems, or they are using data to create job opportunities. That is the future that I believe in. And that future is only possible if we all, each and every one of us, we play our parts. The real question now is, are we ready to embrace the idea? Are we ready to embrace the perspective that everybody, regardless of their ability, regardless of their background, they deserve a seat at the data conversation. They deserve a seat at the data table. So finally, I will leave you with this. Let's not forget why we are here. Let's not forget why we are here. We are here because we're here not just to share ideas, not just to network with people. We're here because we want to strike action. And I believe that together we can turn data from a tool for the few. We can turn it from a tool for the few down to, a force for many. Well, thank you very much.